Welcome to Sunstar Kids!
Yay!
Learn A to Z animal names. A for alligator.
A for alligator.
B for bear.
B for bear.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fox.
F for fox.
G for giraffe.
G for giraffe.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for iguana.
I for iguana.
J for jaguar.
J for jaguar.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L for leopard.
L for leopard.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for newt.
N for newt.
O for otter.
O for otter.
P for pangolin.
P for pangolin.
Q for quokka.
Q for quokka.
R for raccoon.
R for raccoon.
S for squirrel.
S for squirrel.
T for turtle.
T for turtle.
U for Uriel.
U for Uriel.
V for Vicuna.
V for Vicuna.
W for walrus.
W for walrus.
X for Zolo.
X. X for Zolo.
Y. Y for Yak.
Y. Y for Yak.
Z. Z for Zebra.
Z. Z for Zebra.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel.